Hello everybody, I am Suma, the coordinator of secondary of GoldenBee Global Banerkata. So June 12 is observed as a World Day Against the Child Labour, which is intended to serve as a catalyst against the child labour. We should not drag their opportunity by fulfilling their basic needs of education by offering them the employment at the very early stage. Once the children starts earning, they will lose interest in their learning. So we should all encourage the kids who are in our society, in our nation and worldwide to go to school, educate themselves to build their career in the right path. Since 2000, nearly 2 decades, the world is making a steady progress to reduce the child labor. Did you know 160 million of children are involved in child labor, which means 1 in 10 children. Every child has a right to education, protection and health. Yet, millions of children around the world are denied fair chances for no reason. So, let us all join together in this movement and say no to child labor and yes to quality of education. Thank you.
GoldenBee Global, the bee hive of learning.